Hello, I'm Ismail Nava. Today we're going to be showing you how to incorporate e-learning into a WordPress site without using a learning management system. Before we begin, I'd appreciate if you like and subscribe to this channel so you can follow me and see future videos related to instructional design, e-learning design and development, including project management, 360-degree virtual reality interactions, Experience API or XAPI, website design and development, mobile and web application development, and many other digital transformation topics. Specifically for this video, we will use a WordPress plugin I found scanning the e-learning heroes community, Reddit, and other resources so that our published Rise360 modules can be populated on a website. As I stated, by accomplishing this, you will not need an LMS, which also means there is no learner tracking. There is no server you're going to need, which will host the module. You will simply create the module and have a website to host the interaction. Not to say that you cannot have tracking, but that is out of scope for this video. Comment below if you would like to see me tie XAPI to this type of method. To help finalization of a project, I needed to solve a problem, and the outcome was this process. For this presentation, I'll be using a site I built for a separate client and then incorporate the e-learning module I built. I'm going to move fast. I suggest pausing the video at each step along the way. I will go through this process twice. The first pass, you will get an explanation of the steps with highlighting where you need. The second pass will be the same, but with another version of the module being uploaded, as this client needed English and Spanish versions of their published 360 module product. At the end of this video, I'll show you where to get the link in WordPress so you can insert that into your website. Okay, let us begin. I'm in the WordPress dashboard of KO Sports CC. You can check them out at kosportscc.com. I'll only be doing this as an example, so you'll not find the specific e-learning module we are inserting within their actual site. In the dashboard, on the left side of the screen, go to Plugins and click on the tab. Next, press Add Plugin. Now, this is important. In the search bar, enter Insert or Embed Articulate Content into WordPress. Once there, click Install Now. Now wait a few seconds for the plugin to install. Activate should now show. Click that button. Once activated, we see the plugin's homepage. This was created by elearningfreak.com. You can read all about them, and they even have a video on how to upload content into WordPress. It was a little confusing for me because there are various methods, but the one I am showing works for Rise360 modules. I do suggest seeing their video on how to create your published file if you do not know how. The way I'm showing you is a free version, but they do have a paid subscription model that does have XAPI support, more themes to use, custom buttons, and so on. We will not be using the paid subscription model here, but I do recommend that if you need more out-of-the-box solutions. I do have to say they have done a great job for the community in providing this service. So kudos to the team at eLearning Freak. Back to the dashboard. On the left side, click Pages. Go to the top and click Add New Page. Enter whatever the title of the module is into the title section. For us, we are inserting a Food Handler Safety Course, English version, there at the title top. Again, this is just an example, and you will not see this on the kosportscc.com site. Now, click Edit with Elementor. Hopefully you have Elementor installed. If not, go ahead and add that plugin. Now we will wait for Elementor to load. Once open, within the Basics section, click on the text editor and drag the widget, that box that you see, to the dashed location near the top central part of the screen, as I have done. Okay. Here is a step you do not want to miss. You see that lowercase a under the text editor section to the left? Click that. Very important. A pop-up screen now shows, and we will need to click Choose Your Zip File. Again, I did not show how to publish your learning content from Articulate Rise360, but you can find that information from the Articulate 360 site or other YouTube channels. Now that we have our file folder open, we will click Upload and wait until the zip file is uploaded. Okay, now you will see in the Insert As section 4 choices. Only one will work in the free version of this plugin. If you want the other choices, I would suggest paying for the service. We are only able to use the iframe option, so go ahead and click Insert into Post. Great, now click Publish. We see that our page is live. Let us look. We will go to the actual website and view the page. We do have an area we need to fix. When we click that lowercase a before, we get some lorem ipsum text generated. We will need to take that out. We will go to where the code is for our iframe and take out that text. We will publish again, refresh our site, and go view the page one more time. As you can see, the lorem ipsum is now gone. Now we'll scroll around for a bit to show that the course fully works. Okay, so that does it for our first pass of this process. We have inserted a Rise360 course into a WordPress site. After publishing your course and with these steps, you should be able to include e-learning content into your WordPress site. Again, there is no learning tracking with this method. What we will do now is go through this process again, but with the Spanish version module that needs to be added. We will create another page that will house this next module so that a specific link can be generated. Feel free to pause as the process goes along if you want. Again, if you want to skip ahead to see where to get the link, click ahead and just skip the second part, and we'll show you that at the end of this video. Enjoy the next 2.5 minutes or so seeing how we accomplish this task again. Great, we have shown you how we added a second page with another module to the site. Now to conclude this process, we will need a link we can hook up to an interaction the learner can press. Click on Edit within the page you have created. You will see on the right side of the dashboard the link. Simply copy that and add to whatever interaction of your choice. I searched a few various places to find this process and found this flow to doing this task. So hopefully, with the help of this video, you'll be able to do this process also. Some main topics to remember. You would need to create and publish an e-learning module first. We use Rise360. Within WordPress, you will need to download the plugin from E-Learning Freak titled Insert or Embed Articulate Content into WordPress. You will need to insert a zip file or the file will not work. Use the link and insert wherever necessary. That's it. Let me know if you would like to see more content related to instructional design, e-learning design development, including project management, 360-degree virtual reality interactions, experience API, website designer development, mobile and web application development, or many other digital transformation topics. Go ahead and comment below and I'll see what I can do. Again, I'm Ismail Nava and thanks for watching.